G'day.
G'day, thanks for stopping by.
Hey, have you ever seen those videos on YouTube, the top ones that say 5 reasons to buy this, or a beginner's guide to whatever, or even a review of this thing?
And then you think, oh yeah, I really want one of those, and you go out and buy it, and when you get it, it doesn't even actually live up to its expectation.
So we thought, rather than pump out more how-to videos or you should buy this type of videos, we would actually start looking at did it work videos. So come and join us as we take a look at the Mavic Air 2 and see if it's as good as they say, and actually if it brings benefit.
To us at least, yeah.
So we've been making videos for a little while now, and well, I'll admit I'm no Steven Spielberg, but we do keep looking at ways to improve our content, and that's led us to the decision to invest in a drone.
The GoPro has given us some amazing footage with its cinematic wide lens, the ability to film underwater, and its high resolution video. It's been amazing, really, hasn't it?
Yeah.
You know, and that's been incredible. However, there's been so many people that have said to us, you know, that a drone would actually allow us to capture another dimension of the landscapes and the scenery and the locations that we go to.
Now, as you may be aware, we did previously have a drone, and that did not end well.
No, it did
to
not
say
end
the
well.
least. However, it was just a cheap toy, basically, and but we did get the idea of what it'd be like to be using a drone for our footage.
Yeah. So this time we did a bit more research, mainly on YouTube.
Yep.
Yeah, we watched how others experienced their drones. And what we realised was that what we had was just really a toy.
It was. There's a world of difference between what we had and some of the advanced drones that are out there.
Yeah.
We found the most highly recommended was either the DJI Mini 2 or the DJI Mavic Air 2S.
Yeah. So after watching a number of YouTube videos, we concluded that the Mavic Air 2 was going to be the best value for money for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But would it? Well, stick around and we'll share with you our journey and experience of purchasing and flying the Mavic Air 2S.
Okay, next step,
Let's buy a drone.
let's buy a drone.
Here we are at JB Hi-Fi. Oh my goodness, Paul, you look happy. What have you got? A drone, a new drone.
At last. Let's try not to crash this one, eh?
Yeah, let's not fly that in the van.
Here it is.
Ooh,
The drone.
yay!
Let's have a look. So we got the DJI Air 2S combo bundle.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Looks good.
Fly More combo bundle.
Mm.
Alright, let's have a look, shall we? See what's in it.
Oh, show me. Oh, it's a bag.
Very impressive.
Oh, it's a bag. Comes with a bag,
And a
doesn't
box.
it? And a box.
Accessories.
Oh, and a box.
Oh, so it looks like there's a QR code here for the app that we can download onto the phone.
Oh. More manuals. Uh-oh.
Accessories user guide. On the right way, consider others, be responsible. Yeah, good advice. Oh, look at this.
Now, I believe the bag is part of the combo pack as well. So, it's all unwrapped, and this is what we got in the pack, Paul.
Almost
Wow.
a little overwhelming so for a novice like me, best place to go, YouTube. I have my trusty iPad, YouTube open, and away we go. Alright, here we go. Unboxing and setup. Let's have a look, shall we?
It's a good place to start.
Setting up the drone was pretty straightforward. There were really no surprises. You did have to wait for the battery and the controller to charge, but other than that it was quite quick. And then linking the controller, the drone and the phone. I'll put a screenshot up here in the top right hand corner to show you what was going on my phone. Powering on, short, and hold.
Ooh! Ooh! Oh, look! Oh! It's
Yeah.
doing things. It's like, oh my goodness, look, it's... Ah!
There you go.
Oh, that's a bit scary. You ready?
Next step is we'll take it out somewhere and test it. Alright, we've watched all the videos, all the YouTubes on how to fly your drone the first time. I don't want to lose this one.
It's a bit windy over there, Paul.
Nah, that's slight breeze. That'll be right.
Okay.
Anyway, we'll go out and we'll test it out.
We will.
Here in Australia, there are strict rules about flying a drone. The Civil Aviation Safety Authority, CASA, is a government body that regulates Australian aviation safety. It's essential that anyone who wants to fly a drone is familiar with these rules.
Sounds like an aeroplane. Oh, it's revving. Oh, here it goes. Not towards me, not towards me, not towards me. Woo, not towards me.
For our drone, we needed to register it with CASA. I had to apply for an aviation reference number, an ARN as we call it, and complete the online training module. I had to download a drone safety app. The one I chose was Aerologics. There's a few online that you can choose from. Now these apps, they tell you where you can fly, when you can fly, where you can't fly, any restrictions that might be around. The drone license, it was a relatively simple question and answer form, so that wasn't really too tricky. And the registration of the drone with CASA, you have to do it every 12 months. There are some basic rules that you really need to make sure you're aware of before you get the drone out and up into the air. For example, you're not allowed to fly the thing over 120 metres in height.
Oh, well done.
Alright, that's right. Well, I did it. Managed to safely get the drone up in the air and safely bring it back down to earth again. It was certainly a better idea doing it outside the caravan, no doubt about that. So the big question is, were those video tutorials helpful? Yeah, for me they were. I found I had a lot more confidence when I was out there flying it as I recalled some of the information from the videos. But overall, I'm looking forward to getting out and trying out the new drone and getting some footage into our videos. Over the next little while, we managed to get the drone up in the air a few more times and we're able to get a bit more flight time under our belt. On a hot tip, don't forget to press record. Done that a couple of occasions where we've had the drone up in the air in some amazing locations only to find it didn't record anything. The other thing I wanted to say was that the DJI Fly app is quite simple to use and well laid out.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Fortunately, with the Mavic Air, you can set the limit as to how high it'll actually fly. There's a lot of restricted areas such as airports, national parks, certain government sites, marine parks, and the app quite clearly shows you that. Alright, so I'm really keen to test out this drone and see if I can't use some of the features on it. One of the reasons we bought this particular drone is because of some of the features it has on it, like the active tracking, the return to home. So I wanted to see if they were features that pretty much a novice like me could use. Let's go check it out. You'll notice in the bottom left of the screen, I've put a screenshot from my phone showing what I see while the drone is in action. This is where you get to select the shot you want and let the drone know what you want it to do. It will follow the subject, circle the subject, or just keep the subject into the center of the screen. And I really can't wait to use this feature when we hit some of those more remote areas like the Painted Desert and some of those coastal roads where you get panoramic views of the ocean. Another thing I think is worth mentioning, if you're wearing sunglasses and in bright sunshine, it's almost impossible to see the screen of the mobile phone. So you can either find a shady spot, not wear polarised sunglasses, but you will need to do something. Otherwise you're literally flying blind. So look, in summary, I think I found it a lot harder to get the shots that I see other people getting, and I'm assuming they'll come with practice. I'm hoping so anyway. But do I think the drone's worth it? I think it will be. I mean, as you can already see by some of the scenery that we've taken and some of the shots we've got from the drone, it certainly has the potential to add a lot to it. So I think the drone is definitely a plus in that respect, and I'm very happy with the purchase. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this Did It Work video, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.